guys, it's me, Kyla, and if you may not see, we're actually in the woods right now. We actually escaped in the house, and now the doors actually locked, and we don't have anything to go with. So I don't know why Faith bought. I don't know. Okay, I'm also here with Faith. She bought this bike for some reason. Also, we also got some goldfish.
Yeah, and she spilled it on her pants while I playing.
Yeah, I spilled the goldfish.
Yeah, it was all over her pants. Ah!
Let's make a fire.
The fire is so light.
Yeah, it's so light. Okay, let's roast our fish here. Here, have a fish. What's it?
Yeah.
Why
you're like, oh yeah. Okay, let's get the baby ready. Get the baby ready.
Why?
Because let's get ready for the day for her. Let's get the baby ready. Feed her a bottle and get a diaper.
What outside? Also, guys, this is not really outside. We're just pretending we're camping. Anyways, we don't have diaper. We're outside. We have to use a bush as a diaper.
Okay, I found some diapers over here.
How could you find some diapers? We're outside.
I buy them.
What?
I just ran there.
You ran?
I was in New York.
You ran all the way to the grocery store and just to get some. Do you even have money on you? Where's your wallet?
It's in my pocket. $100 for these.
You don't have any pockets. Did you get a diaper, Genie?
No.
Guys, has it.
Okay, let me get her hat. Her cute little hat.
I think that's too much big for her. That's my hat. Give me that. Give me
Let's
that.
see if we can fit you. Yeah.
See, it's my hat. That's yours. Also, I got
we got her stroller, and I gotta cook some food. I gotta go get some food. Pretend you didn't know I was getting food,
Okay.
and you didn't. And then I paid $100 for that. You didn't know that.
No, you don't even have pockets. How are you supposed to fit a wallet?
I can carry it. Okay, here.
Look, the baby's eating.
I got some food for the baby, and it's for $100.
100. You rich.
Baby! I like a catty.
I like.
Ow! Ouch. Ah!
Come on, stand next to the fire. What you doing here? Oh my God, it's burning! It's burning!
It's not hot for me.
I hear something. I think it's Piggy.
I'm running out of here. Well, you guys.
What? I picked you. It was just my hand bumping on the ground. Duh.
Here's her piggy.
No.
Okay, piggy. Yeet.
Yo,
It was like flying.
you're savage.
Don't spill it. She acted. Okay, so this is the end of the video.
You want me to spill it too? Wait, let's do scary stories. Let's tell scary stories. You first.
Okay. There's a night. He canned Christmas, and the Grinch was stealing presents from Santa.
That's not scary because we all know the Grinch just had some bad issues. Green have green skin, am I right? Stop. You're gonna blind the people.
The fire's out.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go home now. Bring the vlog and buckle up her.
What? It's a baby.
Yes.
I will hold the flashlight. Have me hold the flashlight.
Okay, so I'm gonna put her in. Can you put the light at me? Because I can't.
But press that. Yeah, press that.
And put her in. And just
Buckle that together.
Okay.
Oh my. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, shine the light. The light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. There's no place to hide from me. Hey! How do you put this? I forgot how to put this there.
Okay, she's not sitting very well. So, who's gonna hold the vlog?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we're gonna.
Here's her blanket.
Okay, guys.
She's getting wrapped up. And here's
I'm
her.
preparing chicken nuggets. How about you, Faith? You eat chicken nuggets? Kayla, no jumping, huh?
Okay.
Why you don't have? Why you're using that one? You're not scared?
That's my dad. We're pretending to camp. Okay, so.
Okay, guys, we're going. I think.
Wait. Can I whisper
I
you
stepped
something?
on the baby diaper.
Can I whisper you something, Faith? Okay. Let's pretend like I got. Bye, Piggy. Okay. I'm gonna try again.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's fill it up for food. Oh my god! What happened, guys? I feel like I fell down somewhere. Fate. I haven't fate. Ow!
The baby obviously fell out of my hand. Piggy just slapped the baby out of my hand.
Wow, Piggy savage.
Piggy is sappy, booty, laughing.
Oh, you're not a TikTok song?
Yeah.
Stuffy, Woody, laughing.
What is
You said Stuffy!
It's classy, booty, rashy.
Oh, it's classy, Woody, lashy.
Booty.
You said Woody!
Okay, so let's go home now.
Okay.
Bring her toy.
I think I hear a bumping sound.
Let's go out.
Don't do that. I think it's Piggy. Guys, protect the baby. Shh, I think I hear something. I think it's coming here.
Pretend to be dead.
Protect will be dead. You're probably gonna die first. Cause you're out. Okay, guys. I think I hear a piggy sound. Okay. You sure the piggy's gonna just come here? Okay, protect the baby, Okay. Hold up.
Don't put the light on. She might see the light.
Okay, sure. Then
You're dead. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Do you see her?
I think
The vlog is killed.
wait, what did you say?
The vlog is killed. No, it's the baby Lex.
What?
She's getting killed, Lex. And the two of us are getting killed.
It's nice knowing you, Fate.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Will they survive?